Okay, this one is number 5. These are the most important things to indicate when you are given an equation or to do a graph. Your x-intercept, you make y equal to 0, solve for x. Your y-intercept, make x equal to 0, solve for y. The turning point, derivative equals to 0, and solve for x. Point of inflection, second derivative equal to 0, and solve for x. Mangabe usuyidwebile igraph yakho, then comes the part of the interpretation. It's easy ukuthi usheshe uyibambe interpretation if you are going to interpret the graph that you have sketched yourself, because it will be having all the necessary information that you need. But ukuthi, how do we do that? I will ask us to sketch the graph first, then we come to the interpretation part later, because usually it carries a lot of marks and those questions are very, very easy to answer. So let me get a question so that we can do, so that you can see how these things are done. Okay, let's continue. I have decided here, before we sketch, let us look at the x-intercepts. There might be 1, there might be 2, there might be 3. Since we are dealing here with a cubic function, it won't be as easy as the parabola. Parabola, it's easy. Equate the equation to 0, solve for x. How to solve for x? You factorize. It's factorization. But here, there's something that you have to understand, called effector theorem. Because ngaphandle kwe-effector theorem, it's going to be hard to do this. I think effector theorem is the easiest method to find the x-intercept. Effector theorem, if x minus a is a factor of f of x, then f at a is equal to 0. It means x minus a mangabe a factor f of x, then f at a is equal to 0. Noma, if f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of f of x. If f at a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of f of x. Let's start with something simple. Okay, let me break the video.